In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a watch list in Thinkorswim desktop. First, make sure you're on the desktop platform and looking at the main workspace. On the left side of the screen, you should see the sidebar that Thinkorswim calls the Gadget panel. In that panel, look for the section labeled Watch List. This is where your symbols will live and update in real time, and it's the quickest way to keep an eye on the names you care about. To create a new list, click the current watch list name at the very top of the watch list gadget. It might say something like Default if you haven't customized it before. When you click that name, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose Create Watch List. Depending on your version, you may also see a Plus New option that does the same thing. This opens a small window where you can set up your list. Give your new watch list a clear, memorable name, then save it. A descriptive name helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to track different themes or strategies. For example, you might name it something like Core-Tech or Morning Scan. Once you save, you'll see an empty list area ready for your symbols. Now it's time to add tickers. Click the empty line at the bottom of your new watch list. Type a ticker symbol, such as AAPL for Apple, TSLA for Tesla, or SPY for the S&P 500 ETF, and press Enter. Each time you press Enter, that symbol is added to the list and a new empty line appears below it for the next one. Repeat this process for each symbol you want to track. You can type symbols in uppercase or lowercase. Thinkorswim will recognize them either way. If you're unsure of a symbol, start typing and watch for suggestions to confirm you've got the right one. As you build your list, you'll see prices and other basic details populate next to each symbol. This immediate feedback is helpful to confirm you're adding the intended instruments. Take a moment to review your entries before moving on, making sure each ticker is correct to avoid tracking the wrong asset. And that's it. You located the watch list on the left sidebar, created a new one from the drop-down by clicking the watch list name, saved it with a clear title, and added symbols by typing a ticker on the empty line and pressing Enter. With your list in place, you're ready to monitor the names that matter most to you, all in one convenient panel.